Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. Basically, this expression contains the basic operation minus, plus, multiplication. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list, we have three answers, 26, 78, 36. So let's see after solving it, which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's move towards to understand what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. Basically, as you can see on the screen, there are here two rules like BODMAS and PAMDAS. So B stands for bracket or P stands for parenthesis, which means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to solve the exponent part after the bracket. Step number 3 is basically you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. If division is coming first, so division part will be solved first. If multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. So they both have the similar precedence. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve all brackets. But here we have the exponent part. So we will solve this part one by one. Like this, we have two brackets here. One is this one and other one is this one. So we have to solve each bracket at a time. So first of all, we will solve inside bracket 12 minus 5, which is equals to 7. And 7 raised to power 2 because we have outside is 2. So we will write like this way. Now this part I'm writing as it is. So here we will write like this way. Okay, and now we will give the reference here 12 minus 5 equals to 7. Now we have here the BODMAS rule. We have to solve the bracket first. So again, we will solve next bracket. Now this will solve now. And we can solve this one as well. But according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve all brackets first. So we will write this part as it is, or we can solve simultaneously. So 83 minus 9 multiplied by 6. So here we have to solve this part first according to the rule of BODMAS. Not we will solve this part. We have to solve 9 multiplied by 6. So here we will get 83 minus 9 6 the 56. And we will write this part like 9 multiplied by 6 equals to 56. Now we have here again bracket. So we will solve this part again. So 83 minus 6, we have to subtract both of them. So after that, we will get the answer is 29. So now we have 83 minus 56 equals to 29. Now we do not have any bracket and also we have here the exponent part. So we will solve this part now. So this part we will solve 7 multiplied by 7, which is equals to 49. So 7 raised to power 2 means 7 multiplied by 7 plus 29 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference like 7 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 49. Sorry, 49. And this part we will write like this way. Okay. Now move forward. We have here two terms, right? So we will add these two terms like 49 plus 29. So 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. And 1 will be carried. So 4 plus 2 is 6. And we have this 78, the answer. So the answer of the given expression is 78. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.